Sigurado ka? Okay, ready? Pasok!
Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween!
Okay, two, go! Naku, parang kulang yung marshmallows natin, ha? Walang lulununin! Ating inulunun mo, eh. Bawal, pasok lang, pasok. Okay, ready? Pasok, 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 pasok! Go!
Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
Okay, two, bilis! Ready? Susunod na supot. Ayan, go, go! Meron pa ba? Sandali, sandali. Next! Okay, go, 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 go! Wala bang mag-cheer dyan? Go! Pasok, 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 pasok! Ayos, ha?
Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween!
Ano ba yan? Go, go!
Happy Halloween!
O dali, dalawa pa, dalawa. Nako, pag nakapagsalita pa kayo sa susunod, ewan ko na lang. Mga professional bunnies na kayo. Go, go, mami, kaya mo yan. Si mami, kinakaroon. Ready? Ready? Pasok! Pasok! Ready? And... Ilang oras kami maghihintay. Go, 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 go! Walang lumalabas! 5, 4, wala, hindi na buo. Next! Ano daw? Kailangan maiintindihan. Okay, suko na siya. Next! Eto, kaya-kaya.
Happy Halloween!
May sabunutan nangyayari dito. Next! Next! Ate, dinumihan mo yung mic ko eh. Okay, next! Eto na lang, di na natin. Pag di nakapagsalita, may winner na. Go!
Happy Halloween!
Nako! Dalawa na lang kayo maglalaban. Uy, umalis ka na dyan. Ang gugulo ka lang eh. Okay. Dalawa na lang naglalaban. Ready? Pasok! Oh. Tatlo pa talaga kinuha mo, ha? Ready, go!
Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween!
Dalawa pa ulit! Dali! Nako! Sino yung mananalo? Ready ba supot? Ate, nilabas mo na yung pasok. Okay, isa na lang. Pasok! Pasok! Ate naman, sinukahan mo. O, ito na yung winner natin. Lakasan mo lang, go!
Happy Halloween!
Yay! Yung ready ako winner! Kontuwa yung... Ano ba yan? Pakipulot ko, pakipulot. Ayan, we're ready ako winner. Bigay kay mommy, bigay kay mommy. Ayan, ito premium mo, ha? Tapos kunin mo yung premium ba doon.
Ayan!
Okay, next team tayo. Longest Happy Halloween. Kailangan ko ng 7 kids. With 6 years old lang. 6 years old lang. Kumata. 6 lang, 6. Ayan. 1. Competitive yung nanay na to. Parang gusto mong iuwi ang sentries, ha. 2, 3. Oy, lugi sila sa'yo. 6 years old ka. 6 lang. Yung 6 and below. 6 and below. Ayan, okay. Longest Happy Halloween tayo, ha. Meron ba? Kulang pa tayo. Isa na lang, isa na lang. Up! Sobra na tayo. Okay. Okay, 1. Madami to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. O, 9 sila, ha? Guys, sit down. Those who are in front, sit down. Simple lang to, ha? You shout, Happy Halloween, pahabaan. Kaya ba yun? Umuwi na siya kagad. Okay, and everybody will help me count. Can you count? Hoy, saan ka pupunta? Ilang taon ka na? 24. Ay, halika dito. 5. Okay. Ready? Okay, ready? Cut the music. Go!
Happy Halloween!
Hindi, sisigaw ka ng Happy Halloween, pahabaan. Magka-count kami ng 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to count how long you can do it. Like you say, Happy Halloween! Pahabaan tayo, ha? Are you ready? And go!
Happy Halloween!
6 lang. Okay, tandaan nyo, ha? Tandaan mo yung number mo, 6. Kailangan mas mahaba sa'yo sa 6 para manalo ka. Okay, ready? And go!
Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween!
Tama na, isang beses lang. 8 lang, 8. O, tandaan mo yung number mo. Ilan sa'yo? 8. Very good. Ikaw, kaya mo mas mahaba? Ha? Ready? Galingan mo. Shout Happy Halloween. Ready and go!
Happy Halloween!
Bawal yung duktong. Ilan siya? 8. O, dalawa na yung 8 natin. Naku, mamaya magtatay kayong dalawa. Okay, now, can you do longer? Okay, and go!
Happy Halloween!
Nako, 3 8 na to, ah. Parang hanggang 8 lang talaga sila. Ito, mahaba to. Competitive nanay nito, eh. Mahilig sa marshmallows. Okay, ready? And go!
Happy Halloween!
9.
Ilan siya? 9. Nako, talo na kayong lahat dyan. Okay, stay ka lang. Mamaya pa. Ready, and you do 10, okay? Para matalo siya. Ready, and go!
Happy Halloween!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Talagang 10 lang ginawa niya, hindi niya na dinagdagan. Okay, talo na kayo lahat. Ito, 12. Can you do 12? Sandali. Hinga, inhale. Inhale. And exhale. Oh, inhale. And go!
Happy Halloween!
8 lang. Nako, mukhang si Chinese girl ang mananalo. Ito, mukhang maraming baon. Kaya mo 12? Kaya mo yan? Okay, ready ka na? And go!
Happy Halloween!
6 lang! Laki ng katawan mo, 6. Ito na. Ready? And go!
Happy Halloween!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Ano nangyari? May boses pa yon na iba lang ng tono. O, sino winner natin? Okay, we already have a winner. Everybody clap your hands here. Yay! Okay, eto na yung winner natin. Ayan. Okay, magpa-happy Halloween tayo sa nanay. Sa daddies naman. O, yung mga daddies, dali. Daddies, happy Halloween. Longest happy Halloween. Dali. Singer yata ito, maraming tinatago. Sir, marami pa lang. Inhale! Sir, magkasasayo dito. Maraming. Ready? Go!
Happy Halloween!
1, 2, $30. There you go, both hands. Hawak dito. Hawak. Hold here. And hold on the other side. Very simple. The magician will pull to the neck. But you have to be careful. Kuya, can you hold the mic for me? You have to be careful in doing this. Okay, now, later na okay lang yan. Ayan. This is very simple. Well, are you right-handed or left-handed?
Left.
Left-handed. So, kailangan galingan mo to. Hold here. Where's your right hand? Hold here. Ready? Music. And... Are you ready, guys? Sandali. Pag may nangyari sa kanya, tatanungin muna natin, do you have an insurance?
No.
No. Ma'am, may sagot mo insurance nito. Ano man ang mangyari, sagot mo to, ha? Ay, hindi si Sir Nala, si Sir Albert. Sir Albert, we're going to thrust this sword through the neck. If something happens, bahala ang iton sa inyo, ha? Okay. Alam nyo, very responsible kasi sila. And they will not like anything bad to happen, ha? Are you ready? Ready? Madali lang. I'll help you, ha? Ready? 1, 2. Hindi. Sukatin muna natin kung kasya. Kasya ba? Oh, are you ready? 1. Dali, nararamdaman mo ba? Nararamdaman mo? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Go! Ayan, hawakan mo lang. Huwag kang gagalaw. Nakakahinga ka pa. Ha? Nakakahinga pa. Okay, we're going to pull it. Everybody move back. Nakakaitabahan ng dugo. Hawak mo yung wood. Ayan. Go! And it's already magic, so you should be clapping your hands. Pag hindi po malakpak, pangit. Sino pangit dito? Meron ba pangit? Huh? And I love showing colors. What color is this? Everybody! Everybody will say that it's black, but it's not really black. What is the real color? Ang tawag dito, rainbow colored scarf. Everybody say scarf. And this one, rainbow colored ribbon. Everybody say ribbon. And this one, they call it rainbow colored what? Whoa! Umbrella. Everybody say umbrella. Ito yung scarf. Question, is it soft or hard? Is it soft or hard? Huh? Stop! Let's look at this part enough. Hi! Now. Hindi ganun. You have to say, Kuya Steven, pakitanggal na lang to para mas mababa na lang siya. Thank you, Kuya Steven. Ayan. Then I borrow the other mic, sir, para may microphone. Hi lang! Mag-hi only ka na. Hi only ka na. Hindi ka na. Dami nila eh. We're actually here today kasi we're going to greet everybody a happy Halloween. You greet everybody a happy Halloween. Wait. Maybe, kuya, palagay ng sound ko. Ayan. Maybe you have to introduce yourself muna. Ako? Oo. Sabihin ko kangalan ko? Siyempre. You say my name, his name, Hindi ako ikaw. Hindi ako ikaw. Pogi ka eh. Ano pogi ka? You tell everybody your name. You say, my name is Diego. Ano? Diego ka din? Hindi ako Diego. Kuya Bumpy ako eh. So I'm not Diego, you are Diego. So, you're Diego and how old is Diego? 2. And when you grow up, you want to be 8. Hindi ganun, hindi ka ayusin mo. I'm asking you what you want to be when you grow up. Anong gusto mo maging like the profession that you are? The profession that you want to be? The jury already have decided. Wala ko itong tampuhan ha. Okay, so okay, ready? Our first winner is again this one, si Kuya. Ayan. Sorry, baby. Okay. Second winner natin is the brown girl. Yeah. Okay. And our last winner is okay, ito yung head niya nasa plate. Okay, picture tayo, picture. Picture. Everybody smile. Okay, last 3 prizes na lang kasi po tayo. Scariest costume yan. Yeah, i-award ni Mommy and the prize. Okay, I love you. Wow. Okay, oh, shake hands. Shake hands tayo, shake hands. Ayaw. Shake hands, kuya, shake hands. Congratulations. Oh, naging 4 yung kamay. Everybody clap your hands for our winners. Now, we would like to thank everybody for joining us here in this spectacular Tingnan Setes Halloween party. Enjoy your loot bags and thank you very much for the congratulations to all the winners. So, in behalf of Party Links, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Happy Halloween! Bye-bye everyone! Ingat po tayong lahat.